If you see this magnified option on your iPhone lock screen, you can't unlock the screen on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max. I show you how you need to do this. So the thing is very simple. You need to restart your iPhone 17. So quickly press and release volume up button and press and release volume down button and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. When you see the Apple logo, you need to release the finger. So press and release volume up, down and hold the side until you see the Apple logo. So just keep holding. Okay, now just release. It's done. It's going to done. Yeah, you can see it came to the normal. Now unlock your iPhone and settings and accessibility and zoom and turn off the zoom option. Now it's cleared out. So this is how we need to do on iPhone lock screen. And if you want to know more videos about iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max, you need to watch this playlist.